my art friends, and welcome back to the Outrageous Art Studio. Today I am super excited to tell you about something that combines two things that I love. And those two things, one, drawing, two, gaming. If you love drawing and you love playing games, you have to try Pixicade. If you're wondering, I've never heard of this before, and if you're thinking, what is Pixicade? Well, it is an awesome app that basically allows you to take your drawings and turn them into playable games on your phone. I mean, come on, does that not sound amazing? I love it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can use the magic of art, and on the count of three, 1, 2, 3, we can jump inside our own video game. Using the Pixicade app, I'm gonna show you the steps that I went through to design my own awesome video game. It did take some practice, but it was so much fun. I got this box, I got the Pixicade and the Pixicade Plus box using a TRYAZON party. I'm super excited to have other people try it. The app itself is actually free, but if you want to design your own video games, then you have to get a QR code so that you can download it to your phone and then start creating your own games. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite Pixicade games that I love to play, and then I'm gonna show you how I drew and designed my own Pixicade game. Grab your pencils, grab your paper, and let's start gaming!
Paper to screen. It's a video game maker like you've never seen. Now you can draw and play with Pixicade, the video game maker that turns your drawings into playable games.
One cool thing about Pixicade is that the game design can be drawn on any type of white paper. So I'm just using regular printer paper, and I always have to draw with pencil first. You definitely could start drawing your design with the markers that come with the box, but I always make a mistake. So I started drawing a design that was supposed to look like an art room, and the game was supposed to be escaping the art room to get through the hazards. So I drew a little artist with pencil, and then I was ready to start adding color. Now, color is very important in Pixicade. Your avatar, or the player that you're going to be moving around the screen, is always going to be green. So that's very important that anything green is going to be an avatar. The blue objects are the objects that are the prizes that you're going to collect to win the game. Any red objects are a hazard that will kill your avatar, so be careful where you put the red. And then of course purple are objects that can be moved or pushed or that will fall down. I was so excited to play my game, and it ended up an epic fail. I mean, it was just way too hard. And I didn't have any whiteout to take out those red hazards that I just kept hitting. So I just went all the way back to the drawing board and decided that I wanted to try instead to do maybe a different art theme design. So I did my favorite painting, Starry Night. I call this game the Starry Night Trials. So this time I tried to learn from my mistakes, and I drew the outlines of the parts of the game that won't be able to move. And the avatar, of course, is Vincent van Gogh's ear. He has to escape the Starry Night without hitting the evil red stars. This game worked out so much better. I was able to collect all of the blue stars and the blue moon and get to the end. So it ended up being my best game so far, but I'm super excited to try more. It's such a fun app, and I highly, highly recommend it. Have fun gaming!